Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Mira Filipina Oki and would like to thank you all for your support on my channel and hoping that everyone is doing great. So for today's vlog, I'm going to share to you our trip slash work trip to Houston, Texas. So without further ado, let's go. We picked up a load from a company in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and this stuff that we got should be delivered the next day. So we got 3 crates. 2 of them are on the same size, and the third crate is smaller than the 2. They weighs about 14,300 pounds in total, and it says in the paperwork that it will be shipped internationally into a company in Kuwait, but we will deliver these crates to a company in Houston, Texas. You will see in this video that we took some back roads on our way to Houston just to avoid heavy traffic, especially during rush hours. And there are parts of this video also that you will see the actual main roads or interstate highways. We stopped for a night in a hotel which is close to the company. We'll have this load delivered in the morning and have our 10-hour break as part of the rule upon driving commercial vehicle. Then, before we leave from the hotel parking, we need to check our load if they are still okay. As my husband told me, sometimes there are disasters happen while you park for a night. Then, we need to check if the lights of the truck and trailer are all working and do as much as possible the pre-trip inspection wherein you will check the lights, tires, brakes, and your load itself, especially the straps. Then we're ready to hit the road. Now we just pull over into the company parking area. My husband took his paperwork for this load to let them know our load and so they can start unloading us. While he is inside the company, I will start to undo the straps of our load so when he gets back with the person who will unload our item, it is ready. Plus, it seems like the rain will start anytime soon, so I should do it as quick as I can, or else we will undo the straps while raining, and of course, I don't want that to happen. I undo all the straps and put them in the toolbox before my husband and the crew came out from the receiving office. Then, slightly rain started while they are unloading us. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you on our next vlog.